Hey everyone, welcome back to your news channel. Here's what's happening today. Quick, clear, and right to the point. Breaking news out of New York. A federal judge has ordered the unsealing of grand jury records tied to Jeffrey Epstein's 2019 sex trafficking case. On Wednesday, U.S. District Judge Richard Berman granted the Justice Department's request to release the materials, citing the newly passed Epstein Files Transparency Act. Berman said the language of the law is clear and emphasized that Epstein's victims still have an unequivocal right to privacy. In his 4-page ruling, the judge agreed with attorneys for Epstein survivors, who warned that disclosure must not come at the expense of victims' privacy, safety, or protection. The order references specific limits outlined by the law, requiring that personal details, including medical and private records of survivors, be withheld from public release. This move comes just one day after a separate judge ordered the release of grand jury records connected to Ghislaine Maxwell. It's still unclear exactly when the newly unsealed Epstein materials will be made public. NBC News reports that they've reached out to the Justice Department and to Epstein's estate for comment. Earlier this month, another federal judge, this time in Florida, also ordered the release of grand jury material from Epstein's 2005 and 2007 investigations. That request had previously been denied. It's worth noting that before Congress passed the Epstein Files Transparency Act, Judge Berman had rejected the DOJ's request to unseal these same materials. At the time, he ruled the government hadn't met the legal standard required for disclosure and pointed out that investigators already possessed a trove of documents, interviews, and exhibits from the Epstein case. We'll continue to follow updates as the release timeline becomes clearer. For now, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest breaking news.